In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature into Google Docs. Whether you're signing a letter, approving a document, or just adding a personal touch, this quick method will help you create a clean, handwritten signature right inside your document. First, open your Google Doc and place your cursor exactly where you want the signature to appear. It helps to leave a little space above and below the line where you plan to sign, so the signature doesn't feel cramped. If you already have a closing line like "Sincerely," you might click just below it to keep everything neatly aligned. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. From there, hover over Drawing and choose the option labeled Plus New. This opens the drawing window, which is like a small canvas where you can create and bring graphics into your document. Inside the drawing window, look for the line tool in the toolbar. Click the small arrow next to it to open the drop-down and select Scribble. Scribble lets you draw freely with your mouse or trackpad, which is perfect for a handwritten signature. Take your time and write your name in one smooth motion if you can. If you make a mistake, use the undo button to try again. You can also experiment with a couple of practice strokes before committing to the final version. Try to keep your hand steady and write slightly larger than you might on paper. It often looks smoother when scaled down in the document. When you are happy with how it looks, click Save and Close. Google Docs will insert your signature into the document as an image. Don't worry if you want to tweak it later. You can click the signature and choose Edit to reopen the drawing window. Now position it exactly where you want. Click the signature to reveal the blue handles around the edges. Drag a corner handle to resize it while keeping it proportional. If you need to move it more freely with your text, click the text wrapping options that appear underneath, and choose a setting like behind text or in front of text. These options let you place the signature precisely on the page without it jumping around. If it looks too big or too small, adjust until it matches the rest of your document's formatting. And that's it. You've successfully added a handwritten signature to your Google Doc quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching.